It's a 2011 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban has dominated the road since 1935. This model continues the tradition with the power, efficiency, and adaptability you'd expect. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, ultrasonic park assist, Bluetooth, leather bucket seats, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book remarks boat and trailer owners in particular gravitate toward Suburbans, which offer up to 8,100 pounds towing capacity. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.